Alright, so I've got the hose off, and wow, my camera's fuzzy. Anyway, got the hose off, and so here's the worn out piece. As you can see, that's just what I call a burn or rub through mark, and it's basically in this kind of position, which means it's rubbing against that air compressor. See those little knobbies on the end? So every time that spins, it's more than likely been rubbing on that and cutting a little gash in it. So I'm hoping this repair tape that I got is gonna do the job for now. So I'm just gonna put it on and see what it looks like. All right, so it was a small roll of tape, but I wrapped it a bunch of times. I had a piece of rubber, so I did a couple of layers, and I put a piece of rubber under there, soft rubber, and then did a couple more layers around. So hopefully it's enough to hold the pressure as well as the heat. There was nothing special about this tape. It was literally just duct tape painted black, or black colored duct tape. But we'll see what happens. I'm gonna put it back on and see if I can keep a good clearance in place and get us back on the road. All right, so I've got it back on. I can't get the angle good, but what I did was I let's see if I can get it from this way. Yeah, there we go. Gave it a little bit of clearance between here by making sure it's tipped up and pushed all the way in before I tighten that hose. And then I twisted this way, which should naturally make it kind of pull over to this side. And if nothing else, this will get me over to the mechanic shop.